Hello and welcome. In this detailed guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to reset your Discord password if you can't remember it. Whether you're on a mobile phone or using a computer, this tutorial will help you recover access to your Discord account quickly and safely. Losing access to your Discord account can feel stressful, especially if you use it often to connect with friends, communities, or workspaces, but don't worry. As long as you still have access to your email address linked to the account, resetting the password is simple. Start by opening the Discord app on your smartphone. Select Login button. On the login screen, you'll see fields asking for your email and password. Then enter your email address first. Since you forgot your password, tap the Forgot Your Password. A pop-up that appears and says, "We sent instructions to change your password to your email, so now check your inbox and spam folder." Click OK. Now, minimize the Discord app and go to your email inbox. Look for an email from Discord with the subject line like, "Password reset request for your Discord account." If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam junk folder just in case. Open the email and tap the Reset Password button or link. This will redirect you to a secure page in your browser or the Discord app. You'll now be asked to enter your new password. Make sure it's strong, with a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. After confirming the password, tap Change Password. Then click Continue to Discord. Done. You'll now be redirected back to the Discord login screen. Log in, using your email and the new password you just set. Now you've successfully reset your Discord password, and now you can use your Discord account again. That's it. I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.